Ultrafiltration Installation Guide. Now let me introduce the installation method for this ultrafiltration system. Step 1. Connect the power. Inside the control box, for 380-volt power, connect 3 live wires and 1 neutral wire. If you're using 220 volts, just connect 2 wires. Next, this part is for connecting the float switch. This one here connects to the raw water tank's float switch. This connector is for the float switch of the pure water tank. The water inlet is located on the right side of the machine. This is the inlet port. You can connect it directly to tap water or a raw water tank. It's labeled water inlet and connects directly to the inlet pump. There are 2 wastewater outlets. One is here and the other is at the top. Both wastewater outlets should be connected directly to the drain. This connector is for the pure water outlet. The pure water pipe must be connected to a storage tank. Simply connect it to the pure water tank. Here is another pump. This is the backwash pump. Its function is to clean the ultrafiltration membranes. The piping for this pump should also be connected to the pure water tank, using the produced pure water to rinse and clean the membranes. This is the back of the machine. Here is the vacuum valve. No piping connection is needed for this part.